Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to switch opponent in Monopoly Go. So first, when you open your Monopoly Go app, as you can see the board right here, and then you will find some train station board. And here, when you land on this train station board, you will go shut down your opponent or getting bank heist. So for example, right here, if you land on this board, for example, you need to shut down your opponent, then at the bottom right here, you will find switch opponent button. So here, if we tap on this one, you can have a chance to choose a player that you want to attack. Either you want to revenge or you want to go to your friends right over here. So if you actually want to revenge, for example, you just need to go here on the revenge and then tap on this go button. So as you can see here that your opponent has switched. So here you can now attack this landmark. So that's how you basically switch your opponent. You just need to choose here either you want to revenge from someone that attacked you from a few hours ago, or you just need to go here on friends. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.